Welcome to The Garadry Show. Caller, what's your question?
What height and length of Garadry threshold seal do I need?
It depends on the water coming into your garage. For small amounts of rainwater entering the garage, a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch threshold seal should work. For moderate amounts, go with 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch. If the water is covering the garage floor, you probably need a 1 1/2 inch or 2 inch seal. If you think your garage might flood in the future, play it safe and go for the largest height. The garage door closes on the front edge of the threshold seal, creating a dam across and behind the garage. Although any height of threshold seal may be used with a sectional garage door, the preferred size will be determined by the severity of flooding. To just seal a gap to keep drafts and rodents out, measure the highest part of the gap and choose a threshold seal that's taller. Measure the width of your garage door from the inside with the door closed and add 3 inches to notch around your track and create a tight seal. There are 7 heights and 8 lengths to accommodate most garage doors.
What comes with the kit?
A length of Garadry threshold seal, black adhesive, side blocks to seal any gaps around the track, and fitting instructions. You'll need a tape measure, hacksaw or utility knife, caulk gun, and a straight edge or ruler to install it.
Can I drive over it?
Sure, after it's been in place for 24 hours, any size up to 2 inches should handle up to 4,500 pounds. In other words, a standard-sized domestic vehicle. 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch seals should withstand up to 6,000 pounds. In other words, a large-sized domestic vehicle. If you have a heavy vehicle, such as a large SUV or van, go with a commercial aluminum threshold seal, available in 1/2 inch or 1 inch. For really heavy vehicles and forklifts, use our 1/4 inch industrial strength solid aluminum threshold. Listeners, take this caller's cue and go measure your garage door, then order your own Garadry threshold seal.